What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm excited. We're going to get started on the Challenger build, and one of the first things I wanted to do was replace these 245s in the rear. You get almost no traction with them, so we're going to be putting on 315s in the rear, and then also we're going to upgrade to 275s in the front. Should be a lot more grounded. And originally I was going to put them on the stock rims, but I decided to go with these Demon replicas, and they are 10.5 in the back and 9.5 in the front, so it'll have that nice staggered stance. But I'm going to head over to my buddy's shop, HD Customs, and get these put on. Alright, so I got the wheels and tires dropped off. We're getting those mounted right now. So in the meantime, we will check out the stock profile, which almost doesn't exist. A lot of you Challenger Charger guys know that already. And the 245s just aren't getting the job done. They can be fun, but we're trying to hook because I plan on putting a lot more power to this. And check it out from back here so you can get a look. But next we'll check back in whenever we're actually getting them installed, and we'll see how they perform. Alright, so there it is. We got everything back, got everything mounted up. I think that turned out amazing. I love the look. And check out the profile. I think that's perfect, not too crazy. And then we ended up, I'll start with the front. So we got a 275 on there, and we didn't have to run a spacer. It's kind of tight clearing the Brembo, but that's all good. Didn't have any issues there. And those are 9.5 in the front. And then come to the rear, we ended up running a 3mm spacer with the 315s on a 10.5-inch rim. I think that looks amazing. Check out the profile from the back. A lot better. Obviously it's snowing, so I wasn't able to test it out too much, but definitely feels a lot more grounded. Yeah, got a little bit poking out there, but a lot more aggressive stance. I really like it. So big shout out to HD Customs too. They really hooked it up. So I'll leave their Instagram on here so you guys can check them out if you need anything. Other than that, I'm going to end this video here. I appreciate everyone for watching, and stay tuned for more on the Challenger build.